Okay, let's look at solving systems of equations. I'm going to look at a word problem. Problem states a baseball team has home games on Wednesday and Saturday. The two games together earn $5,387.50 for the team. Wednesday game generates $587.50 less than Saturday's game. How much money was taken at each game? And so since we're dealing with systems, okay, we're going to be dealing with in terms of two variables. They want to know how much money was taken at each game. So they had a game on Saturday and a game on Wednesday and Saturday. So we can say let X equals we'll say Wednesday's amount and let Y be Saturday's amount. Okay, so now that we have established that X represents Wednesday and Y represents Saturdays, we can translate. It says the two games together earn $5,387.50 for the team. Okay, together. So that's what you earn on Wednesday plus on Saturday will equal this total. So this is where your one equation comes from. X plus Y is equal to $5,387.50. It says Wednesday's game generates $587.50 less than Saturday's game. Okay, so we know that Saturday's game, that's Y. Wednesday's game, that's X. Generate, that means equals. So we have Wednesday's game is equal to $587.50 less than Saturday's game. So that will be translated as Y minus $587.50. So this is your setup. This is your system to solve. So now the question is, which method are you going to use to solve it? Well, it doesn't matter which method. If you do use the elimination method, you need to move the Y over to the left. However, if you want to use the substitution method, we can take this X is equal to Y minus the 587.50. So we can take this and substitute it for X. Okay, and so what happens is we have a new equation. And so X becomes a Y minus the $587.50. And then you still have plus Y is equal to $5,387.50. So now we have this equation to solve, which we're able to solve because it's only in terms of one variable, Y. Y plus Y, what does that give you? Good, that gives you 2Y. And then bring down the minus 587.50 is equal to 5,387.50. And now you solve for Y at 587 to both sides. And so we have, bring down 2Y, that cancels. And equals, you have to add the $5,387.50 to the $587.50, and that should give you $59.75. Okay, and now to solve for y, divide that by 2, and so you get y equals $2,987.50. All right, so this is your y. This is what y is equal to, okay? And what does y represent? So we go back to our information from the beginning. Okay, y represents the amount generated on Saturday. So that means $2,987.50 on Saturday. So how do I find out how much was generated on Wednesday? Well, Wednesday is $587.50 less than Saturday. So that means that I can replace the y with this. So x would be equal to $29.87.50 minus $587.50. And you get 2,400. So, right, x equals 2,400. Okay, $2,400. Right, so those are your two answers. I hope this has helped. Okay, if not, let me know.